Hello everyone, today we're going to have another tutorial that look into the if blocks in the control basic block over here. Okay, so before we can start to explain the if block, we have to build some foundations. First of all, we will have the green flag clicks for the timing, and then for the if blocks to be operating efficiently, and we got to have a for loop. If block got to be inside the for loop. Okay, before we start, we got to have our character to move continuously. Let's make it move forward to 10 steps, and then we will have it make it look like walkings and animations. So we just put in the next costume control of waiting time. Okay, we put it 0.1. Okay, so with these basic foundations, that our character will be foreverly move forwards, change next costume, and then wait for 0.1 second and repeat, move forward again and change costume and wait for 0.1 second and repeat again until forever. Okay, let's play the green threads and see what is happening with the character. Let me put over here a little bit since it is in the middle. So when you play the green thread, the character will move forward. Okay, again, when we play the green flag, sorry. So let's make it more nicer. Here, go to block. Make a go to block in the beginning with the green flag. X is -200. Okay, we have a big green flag again. See again the operations for these foundation blocks. Our character will move forwards until to the other end. Okay, so now we got to make a control to make a clause that in between this way, if let's say he passed through a point, then he will stop now. Okay, let's put here. Okay, now we put in the if block here, and we got to put the conditions. Okay, let's say we want him to be like this. Now we want to set up the conditions. If let's say this character cat, right, he will be passing through here and be touching the edge here, right? I want this cat to come back to this positions again. So we got to write the scripts for the if block here. So the end at this page, right, the X is 240, and then for the character X, how we can get it? We can go to the motions block, basic block here, and you scroll down and you see the X positions. You just put it there. This X positions is about the X positions of the character. The character will change their X positions whenever he moves forward. Let's see, if let's say the character is over here, you can check about his actual position in the information box with the X here. Okay, this is the positions for the X. So that means if let's say this number in the X axis is more than 240, the character now will be here, and we want to set him back to this point. Okay, this is the conditions, and then we got to put in the actions that we want to set him back. We just go to the motion basic block again, and we get the set X block, and then we put -240 at this end, right? The X axis is -240. So whenever the cat passes through the 240, they will come back to the -240. Okay, now let's see the block in actions. Okay, let's hit the green flag together. Ta-da! Now the cat is moving forward. When the cat reaches to this edge, right, it will come back to this edge again. So this is how the if block apply. If X positions of the sprite more than 240, which is at this point, then we will set the X of the character back to -240, which is at this point. Okay, so today our tutorial is about the if block. Okay, we hope that you like this video, and I will see you again in next tutorial. Thank you very much.